Hey guys, it's Courtney and welcome back to the channel where we talk about business, finance, and real estate. Today I am at Parkhurst 1, one of the newest premium condos in the area of Kingston, and we're going to be viewing actually 3 units on this property, so stay tuned. So first up of the premium apartments and condos is this beautiful penthouse. The penthouse is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom penthouse, and it's going for $550,000, 800 USD. As you can see, there are lots and lots of windows which provide a lot of natural light, and personally speaking, I definitely would not keep any curtains up. Here is the kitchen area where we have all modern appliances. I will show you a little tutorial later down in the video, but as you can see, the stove is modern. There's an overhead vent as well. The cupboards actually have accent lighting inside, which again you'll see later down in the video. And here we have stainless steel sinks with all modern finishes. Right across from your kitchen area is your laundry area, which as you can see, there's tons of space here for both your washer and your dryer. They do have the different fixtures in place for you to install your different appliances, and I personally think that this is a lot of space for a laundry area. Now bedroom number 1 is on the ground floor, but unfortunately that door was locked, but not to worry because I will be showing you a different bedroom in the penthouse right across. But let's take a look at the bathroom in this one. As you can see, they have sort of a neutral color scheme, lots of browns and light browns, and they kept it very open with the glass doors in your shower. As you can see, the tiles are very detailed. I really like that as well. And here is a close-up of the fixtures inside the bathroom. Everything is stainless steel and everything is extremely modern. Now as you can see guys, these apartments are very new. The steps are still covered, so if you're interested in grabbing any of these apartments, the realtor's information is in the description box below. Now on to bedroom and bathroom number 2. So first we're going to start out with the bedroom. Pretty large, lots of natural lighting because they did make the window all the way to the ground. As you can see, the closet is huge, and it also comes with a separate closet, which I'm assuming is to be a linen closet. And here it is in the next clip. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I personally think it's a linen closet because it is separate. Next I'm going to step out of the bedroom, and then we're going to go ahead and check out bedroom number 2. So guys, just a few amenities that come with the complex. You do have a rooftop pool, which I will show you at the end of this video. You will also have a fitness center, elevators, backup water supply, 24-hour security, and much more. What you're seeing here is actually the master bedroom, and as you can see, it is twice as large as the other bedroom that I showed you. It has a huge closet, technically a walk-in closet if you want to look at it that way, with lots and lots of shelving. The bathroom is also huge, which I'll show you in a bit. So guys, what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to stand at different angles in the closet. Right now, this is the back of the closet where you can see an entryway on the right. And I'm going to turn the camera face down so that you can have an understanding of the perimeter or how the closet is shaped. Here is the master bathroom. As you can see, it is a double sink bathroom, so it's not like the others. It's actually quite larger. The floor space is also a lot larger. As you can see, they have the same type of shower as the previous bathroom, which is the walk-in shower with the glass doors. I'm going to give you a close-up of the sink so that you can see it better. And I did note that there was lots of cabinet storage underneath the sink as well. And as I mentioned before, the fixtures in the bathroom is basically the same. Another thing that I liked about the unit was how they used glass to block the railings instead of an opaque object. I think that kept the space pretty open. And if you guys remember, I promised you a view of the second penthouse. Here it is. So each penthouse and apartment does come with balconies. So it's basically the same setup, but this one, the bedroom was open, so I could film inside. This is what the bedroom downstairs would look like in the other unit. The bathrooms are basically the same. It's really just the views that differ, obviously because it's on the other side of the building. Another cool detail about the penthouses specifically is that the rooftop terraces on these units, they're actually split in two between the owners of the penthouses. So that space is supposed to be yours. So it will be split in two and you and your guests can have events up there, gatherings up there. It's actually really cool and I'm going to show you in the next upcoming clip. So this is what it looks like, guys. As you can see, it's a lot of space. Bear in mind it will be split into two, so this half belongs to one penthouse and the other half belongs to the other penthouse. The views are insane. You can see the city, the mountains. If you look good enough, you can actually see the Kingston harbor. It was really amazing, and of course the winds were amazing as well with that cool island breeze. That's 20 South over there. They have lots of apartments and Airbnbs as well. You guys can check it out if you're interested. Now let's move on to part 2 of this video. So remember that this is a 3-part video. Here is actually the 2-bedroom apartment that is currently on the market. If you're interested in this, again, the realtor's information is below. I'm gonna head into the bedrooms. As you can see, this is an ensuite bathroom. The style of the bathroom is actually a little bit different from the penthouse which we've seen before, and we're gonna move on to unit number 3, which is a 1-bedroom 1-bathroom apartment. This is what it looks like. Remember, I was saying to you guys that I was going to show you what the kitchen appliances looked like with the lights on and all of that. We're definitely going to get into that soon. Let's view the bedroom first. So as you can see, it's a similar setup like the other units. Lots of natural lighting, large windows, a good sized floor plan. Also, you have a huge closet space as well, and yet another ensuite bathroom. Now that you guys have seen both styles of the bathrooms on this complex, tell me in the comment section below which one you prefer. I'm beginning to think I prefer this one because the color scheme is a lot lighter and the other one was a lot darker. But let me know your thoughts below. Let's go back into the kitchen where we're gonna get a mini tutorial of how to use the appliances. So this 1-bedroom 1-bathroom apartment is going to be on the market for $216,160 US. As you can see, every single appliance in this apartment is extremely modern. Everything was just super convenient and super up to date. Even the trash can section, guys, as you can see, it's going to be a pull-out drawer, which I really liked. This apartment also has a balcony. So remember I said that every single unit on this property will have a balcony area. This is the one for the 1-bedroom 1-bathroom apartment. Now on to the different floors. You will have fire extinguishers, fire hoses, a complete standardized fire system on each floor. We're gonna go downstairs to view the potential receptionist area, and that is going to be here at the front. So when guests walk in, they will have to consult with the receptionist. And last but not least, guys, the grand finale, the rooftop pool. It really doesn't get any better than this. The views, the cool waters, lots and lots of deck space for you to host events and small gatherings. Once you exit the pool area, you can also walk over to the terrace, which is actually open to all on the complex. So this is different from that of the penthouse, which I mentioned earlier. But really, guys, that is it for the property. I'd like you to tell me your favorite parts of the tour. Let me know which one of the units you would definitely invest in. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. And if you love real estate videos such as this, do not forget to subscribe. And lastly, guys, again, if you're interested in grabbing any of these properties, go ahead and call Mr. Kenneth Jackson. He is the real estate agent for this complex. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next house tour. Goodbye.